the new SAP Integration roadmap. Recently we had the DSAC conference, the German-speaking user group, and there was a roadmap session about the future of SAP Integration. Raphael Herrmann created a good post about what some of these highlights are. You can see it here. This tickles down from the extension of the SAP Business Suite support until 2027, and that means the SAP needs to support the stacks for some longer period of time. Netweaver needed to be extended, and apparently it was possible to extend the Java for it. I would assume everything this video is about the working draft of what SAP is presenting. So we'll need to see it once it gets into a roadmap here in Q1. There are three highlights that I really enjoy about this. First off is SAP is going to extend the support of SAP CPI 7.5 until about 2027. There will not be a new release of SAP Netweaver, as we've heard about earlier. And then you'll be able to run CPI and API management on your on-premise system in some way with full UI and all these experiences. This is really exciting. I think it has a lot of cool potentials for customers. So with SAP PI, PO, it seems like Oracle is going to extend the support of Java 8 for some longer period of time, and that means SAP do not need to upgrade to Java 11. And that obviously has some benefit that they do not need to create a new version of Netweaver. One of the things that would be really costly for this is if SAP needed to upgrade this, being able to test and manage a new release, and also for customers to upgrade to this newer release that will just give them a new Java version, basically. That's quite interesting. One of the things I also thought would be really difficult was to be able to get customers to upgrade within 2 years. So the next release of Netweaver should be released in the end of 2021, and support of 7.5 would then have been running out in 2024. So that means you only had like 2 years to upgrade, which is not a lot in SAP terms because we still have customers that have 10-year-old systems running. So that's really a good thing. You don't need to go through this. Since SAP is not going to develop a new version, hopefully that means they can take some of the investments they were planning to use on this and create better experiences and features in SAP PI that customers are looking for. With SAP CPI, there's also a lot of things happening. So obviously this is a direction that SAP want customers to go. Use our CPI tool that's the most flexible and has most capability to do integration, and especially the one that's needed in a cloud world. The part about removing it from dual stack and allow customers to install it on an on-premise system, separate box, really makes a lot of sense because it means that SAP can develop these things a lot faster, and there will be a lot smaller gap between the cloud version and the on-prem version. So this obviously gives some assumptions. I would assume that SAP do not want customers to run CPI versions that are older than 1 to 3 months. Let's see what the agreements will be on this. I think that SAP will not want to support CPI versions that are that old. It also means it will be easier to use the pre-delivered content to deploy it at any system because they would all be on the same stack, and you'd not run into this problem. Well, the thing you're trying to deploy is not available for the next or until we upgrade again, because you would upgrade every month or so. It does mean you need to get your testing and processes in place. Luckily at FIGAF we have a tool for it. And other thing that is quite interesting about this separation of the versions is that it gives SAP an ability to upgrade to Java 11, Camel 3, and leverage some of these functionalities, making the platform a lot newer, a lot more flexible. So I'm really looking forward to see what that will go and when that will happen. A final note on this, I think one of the other things that we've seen is if SAP will allow users to have a development environment on their own CPI tenant, it means they will be using the same developer or editor as we have currently. It will not be, as some people have wished, giving you access to use the Web IDE for development. So I think we will be stuck with that editor for some time. Hopefully they'll get time to upgrade it, but let's see. So what's the takeaway? Thanks for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click the subscribe button, click the bell button to get notified when I'm releasing new videos. So thanks for watching, and be sure to put your comments on thoughts in the comments. I would like to hear this. Thank you.